college. And this is the new edition, like what you should buy before coming to the college. And this is one of the things which you should buy in your first year itself. Let me show you. Guess what's gonna be inside this packet? It's the tuning fork. It's the tuning fork. All the books here you can see. Okay, you can have your books right here in this itself. And if you want to go to like this there anatomy, and this one is right here human anatomy. to buy the anatomy, biochem and physiologist book, like I will prefer to go with B.D. Chaurasia, A.K. Jain and Sambulingam, and Satyanarayana for and Vasudevan for biochemistry you can go for, and for BD for anatomy you can go for B.D. Chaurasia, and for if you want to go with Gray's Anatomy, it's best of best, and for physiology go with A.K. Jain or Guyton and Gannon. All the best. Bye bye.